Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on your UNO game. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. Open your UNO application on your mobile device. Also make sure that you're logged into your account. After you are, go ahead and tap on the friends icon at the bottom of the main interface. Now, you'll be able to open up the Friends tab. To connect your Facebook account and play UNO with friends with your Facebook friends, you can tap on the F Connect button. Continue signing in with Facebook, and after you follow through the prompts and log in with your Facebook account, you'll also be able to add your friends from your Facebook account. If you want to search and add a new player, tap on the search icon at the top, and then from the recommended list, select your friend, and then go ahead and type in the ID of your friend in the search box at the bottom of the screen. After you make a search for it, you'll be able to find the list of people that matches your search ID. You can also go ahead and scroll through the recommended list and send friend requests to the person you are trying to add by tapping on the little plus icon right next to the contact. Soon after you do that, once your friend accepts your invitation, you'll be able to add them to your UNOTM account. After the invitation is accepted, the person you added will be listed on the page where it says listed on the Friends tab. So that is how you can easily add your UNOTM friends using the application on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.